In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an FAQ section in Webflow. Whether you're building a website for a client or sprucing up your own site, adding an FAQ section can significantly improve user experience by providing quick answers to common questions. So let's dive right in and walk through this step-by-step process. First things first, you'll want to open your Webflow project. If you're not already familiar with logging into Webflow, simply head over to the Webflow website and access your project through the dashboard. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your project's workspace. Next, locate the plus icon, which is essential for adding new elements to your design. This icon is typically found in the left toolbar of your screen. Give it a click to reveal a panel with a variety of elements you can add to your page. Now we'll search for the section element. You'll find a search bar at the top of this panel. Just type in section and hit enter. Once it appears, drag the section element onto your page where you'd like your FAQ section to live. The section acts as a container, so it's crucial for keeping your content organized and visually appealing. After adding the section, go ahead and click that plus icon once more. This time, type container in the search bar. The container will help keep your content aligned correctly across different devices, ensuring your FAQ looks great whether viewed on desktop, tablet, or mobile. So find the container in the Elements panel and drag it into the section you just added. Our next step involves adding a div block. Once again, hit that trusty plus icon and search for div block. The div block is perfect for holding your FAQ items and keeping them neatly separated within the container. Drag the div block into the container and position it where you see fit. With the div block placed, it's time to start adding your FAQ items. Click on the div block to select it and type in text block in the search bar of your Elements panel. Drag the text block into the div block. This is where you can type your question for the FAQ. Beneath that, add a paragraph element for the answer. The text and paragraph elements will make it easy for visitors to read through queries and find the information they're after quickly. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a basic yet effective FAQ section on your Webflow website. Remember, a well-organized and informative FAQ can drastically enhance user interaction, making your site a more reliable source of information. Happy designing, and stay tuned for more tips on mastering Webflow.